So far I've shown some simple examples of recursive functions written in the C and Ruby languages. Now on screen here you can see this is Ruby and this is C. Now apart from the syntax differences, the code here really is very similar. But what if you're programming in some other language, not Ruby and not C? Well, in all modern mainstream programming languages, recursion will work pretty much the same way. Now, let's have a look at, for example, this. Now, this is the same recursive code written in the C# language. Now, while the syntax of C# has some similarities with C, all the curly brackets and so on, they are in fact very different languages. C# is a high-level object-oriented language. But that fact doesn't change how recursion works. Just see how similar the code of these two programs really are. The biggest change is the way in which output's printed, since my C# program displays output in the text box on a form rather than to the command line, which is what my C program does. And you can see that here. This is the C# program running, so it's got this form and a text box and a button. I click the button to display the results. But apart from that, the code really is incredibly similar. Now, if you're using some other programming language, Java, Python, Pascal, and so on, well, I'd suggest you spend a little time now translating my simple recursive program into that language. You can use the C#, C or Ruby code. Just stop the video and examine it on screen as the basis for your translation. And then when you follow through the later videos in this short course, you'll be ready to write your own recursive functions, no matter what language you happen to be using. Okay, so this is the last of the introductory lessons in this simple course. And now it's time to delve deeper into recursion to discover how it actually works. And I'll come onto that in the next video. Now, it's up to you how you follow this course. You can follow from start to finish in strict order of the lessons, or if you've got some experience or you're interested in a specific topic in the course, well, just jump straight to the relevant lesson. Now, whichever way you follow it, I'd suggest that you use the course playlist, which you'll find under this video.